Here's the practice test. This is the not scrambled version, and we're going to work through this practice test. So problem number 1, determine whether each statement is true or false. If a statement is false, make the necessary changes to produce a true statement. Here's my statement. If one item is chosen from M items, a second item is chosen from N items, and the third item is chosen from P items, the total number of 3-item choices is M plus N plus P. That statement is false. What should it be? M times N times P. Thank you for that. So the statement's false. I've determined that, and I'll look at my choices. Choice D. The statement is false. To make this statement true, change M plus N plus P to M times N times P. Problem number 2. A restaurant offers 8 appetizers and 7 main courses. In how many ways can a person order a 2-course meal? So this problem is a blank problem. That's what I will call it, a blank problem, which tells me I need to set up 2 blanks, blank, blank. In the first blank, I will put the number of appetizers. In the second blank, I'm going to put the number of main courses. There are 8 appetizers and 7 main courses, so put those in the blanks, and I'll have 8 times 7 equals 56. There are 56 ways a person can order a 2-course meal. Problem number 3 is a lot like problem number 2, but problem number 3, you have to be a little careful about some of those words. You cannot just count the words on problem number 3. Let's read the question. A restaurant offers the following limited lunch menu. Main courses: beef, pork roast, duck, and quiche. So you see the pork roast? 2 words, 1 dish. So I'm going to circle that and say, I got to be careful with words like that. Look at the vegetables: corn and green beans. Green beans is 2 words. It is 1 dish. On the beverages: coffee, tea, milk, soda. On the desserts: cake, pie, sherbet. Well, let's put up the 4 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. First blank is for the main courses. The second blank is for the vegetables. The third blank is for the beverages. And the fourth blank is for desserts. Main courses: 1, 2, 3, 4. So put a 4 in the blank for main courses. For the vegetables, 2. Beverages, 4. And the desserts, 3. So I'll take out my calculator and multiply 4 times 2 times 4 times 3. 96. So there's 96 ways a meal can be ordered. Problem 4. A person can order a new car with a choice of 15 possible colors, with or without air conditioning, with or without automatic transmission, with or without power windows, and with or without a CD player. And how many different ways can a new car be ordered with regard to these options? So for problem 4, I will put the blanks. I'll put a blank for colors, a blank for AC, a blank for automatic transmission, a blank for power windows, and a blank for a CD player. In each blank, put the choices. Colors, said there's 15 choices. 15 possible colors. As far as the air conditioner goes, do you want air conditioner or do you not? Yes or no? That's 2 choices. For automatic transmission, do you want automatic transmission or do you want the stick shift? That's 2 choices. For power windows, do you want the power window or do you want the window you have to crank the handle to put it up and down? That's 2 choices. The CD player, do you want the CD player or do you not want it? That's 2 choices. So in my calculator, I will put in 15 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and I get 240. So there are 240 ways to order this car in regard to these options. Number 5. A stock can go up, down, or stay unchanged. That's 3 choices. How many possibilities are there if you own 4 stocks? So I want to mark this right here, up, down, or stay unchanged. All right, that's 3 choices. I will put a blank for each stock. So you own 4 stocks, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll have stock number 1, stock number 2, stock number 3, and stock number 4. Stock number 1, up, down, or stay unchanged. Put a 3 in the blank. Stock number 2, up, down, or stay unchanged. 3 in the blank. Each one, put a 3 in the blank. So I have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. Alternatively, on number 5, you could have done this. You could have said 3 choices to the 4th power, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I can type it in my calculator like this. 3, use the power key, put in 4, press equals, and I have 81. The problem with doing this the second way is that students will get confused. They'll think, okay, do I do 3 times 4 is 12? Do I do 4 to the 3rd power? Do I do 3 plus 4? I've seen that in the past, that a lot of times students are just kind of wanting to memorize the way the problems work. If you put the blanks, then you're less likely to make that kind of mistake.